control, unable to claim. Tears filled with blame, sadness carried through shame. Emotion she cannot tame. She is the rain. On a broken chair, life doesn't seem fair. Thought she cannot spare. Her heart doesn't break but it tears. She never diverts from her lane. She is the rain. Silent feelings run deep. She hardly gets sleep. Her climb is far too steep. Of all but seams will seep everything she must keep. Puddle of memories she must wade. Gray shade, the lights fade. Dark thoughts can invade. A heavy price to be paid. The rain is what she made. On a broken chair, life doesn't seem fair. Thought she cannot spare. Her heart doesn't break but it tears. She never diverts from her lane. She is the rain. Empty her emotional purse. When things get worse, trust it's not a curse. Let's communicate first. This sadness will disperse. She is not alone. Shared past to be known. Her strength has grown. This is what she has shown. Free of this pain. She is the rain. On a broken chair, life doesn't seem fair. Thought she can